Hi children, hope you all are safe at home and obeying your parents by washing your hands frequently. Myself, Farida teacher from St. Paul's High School, Standard First, going to teach you all GK and our topic will be nature children. As in our previous lecture, I have already taught you what is nature children. All the things gifted to us by God are the part of nature. Animals are also part of nature children. There are many kinds of animals and we have already learned about wild animals. Now today we are going to learn about domestic animals. Do you know children what are domestic animals? The animals that have been kept by humans, that is people, as work animals, food sources, or as pets are called domestic animals. Domestic animals are very useful to us children in many ways. Domestic animals depend on us for their shelter, food, water, and general care. They are not like wild animals. How I said you before children that wild animals are independent. They search their food, shelter by themselves. But domestic animals are totally depend on us for their food and shelter. So we must take care of these domestic animals very well children. There are many domestic animals. Cat, dog, cow, goat, buffalo, horse, etc. Today we are going to learn about domestic animals. Which animal is this children? Yes, it's a cat. Cat is a cute and friendly animal. It can see and hear better than humans and is able to see in night also. Can you see in night without light? No, na. But cat can see children. It eats mice and helps to keep away mice from our home. Now next is dog. Dog is an intelligent and faithful animal. What do you mean by faithful children? Faithful means it will never ever cheat its master. If you feed the dog, it will always be faithful to you, whether it is pet or street dog. It can run very fast and helps to catch the thieves. So, policemen train the dog in such a way that they can easily catch the thieves with the help of these dogs. It guards our homes by barking loudly on strangers. It will never ever allow the strangers to roam here and there. It has a good smelling sense children, and because of this smelling sense it can easily catch the thieves. Which is the next animal children? Yes, cow. And who gives us milk? Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk children, and cow is a real wealth for mankind. Do you know why it is real wealth for mankind? Because it eats little and give a lot of milk children. Now tell me which animal is this children? Goat. Again, goat is useful to us in many ways. Its milk is considered to be very nutritious. Nutritious means healthy children. And its milk has the power to cure certain diseases. We get so many diseases now. So, goat's milk has that power to cure certain diseases. It gives us meat and its skin is also very useful to us. And one more quality is there in goat children. It can remember voice and faces for as long as 10 months. The next is sheep. As you all have learned before, children, sheep gives us wool, and from this wool what we make? Yes, woolen clothes, sweater. And this woolen clothes protect us from cold. That is, in winter season when we feel cold, we wear woolen clothes. It is one of the most useful animal with various uses like wool, milk, meat, etc. Just like dog, it is also very friendly and strong emotional with other sheep. Which is the next children animal? Yes, it's a horse. Horse is one of the powerful and most helpful domestic animal. It can run very fast and always loyal to its owner. It is friendly and shy till we are familiar, but can be very dangerous if we tease. Even people enjoy getting ride on horse children. We can enjoy horse riding on hill station children. Then next animal is donkey. Donkey is a helpful animal. It helps us in carrying heavy loads for traveling small distances. It belongs to horse family. Next is camel. Camel is called the ship of desert. It can store water in its stomach and can live without water for many days. It is used for long journey in desert area. Now next one is buffalo children. Buffalo is one of the most useful animal. It also gives us milk, which is richer in calcium and protein than cow's milk. Now it's time for activity children. First question, match the picture with correct answer. Now here in this, I have given you picture and will match with the correct answer. See, the picture is of buffalo and the options are milk, wool, carry loads. So we'll match with milk because buffalo gives us milk children. Who gives us wool? Sheep. And donkey carry loads for us. So the correct answer is milk. Then next picture is of camel. Camel is called king of the jungle? No. Our national animal? No. It is called the sheep of the desert. So we'll match the picture of camel with sheep of the desert. Then next is donkey picture. And the options are it's horse family, cat family or cow family. Yes, it's a horse family. So we'll match donkey with horse family. Now next question is cross the odd one out. First one children. Lion, cow, tiger, fox. Now which one is odd? Cow. Why? Because lion, tiger, fox are wild animals and cow is a domestic animal. Now second one, cat, horse, wolf, camel. So which animal is odd here? Wolf. Very good. Why? Because cat, horse and camel are domestic animal and wolf is a wild animal. Then next, cow, goat, buffalo, donkey. Here, yes, donkey is odd one. Why? Because cow, goat, buffalo gives us milk children. So donkey is the odd one out. Okay children, now it's time to say goodbye. Stay home and stay safe. God bless you all my children.